So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in an interesting area because it is forming multiple structures. Of course, nothing fancy has happened. I didn't make videos yesterday, but it's Christmas today. I'm here to make a video and share with you the update. We were talking about 102, that it needs to go above 102 for us to understand that, okay, now the upward journey has started. None of that has happened. So all this drama that is going on, none of that is acceptable until and unless it breaks above 102, spends 2 days above it. Only after that we can say, okay, now Bitcoin has started its upward journey again, and we are going to go towards $120,000. We will do the 20% move. But if it is not able to go above 102, then that is pretty obvious that whatever it is doing is fake. None of that is real. All of it is just to trap people in. But let's talk about short-term perspective, what the hell to expect. Now Bitcoin has formed a cup and handle here, a very clean cup and handle. This could have been a double bottom, but this bottom it's like a punctured ass. There's no volume to the hip, so I will just ignore it. But if you look at it, this one, this is the cup, this is the handle, this is a clean one. So I mean, both of them, they talk about bullishness. All you're trying to do is just to see what the hell is available on the structure. So the neckline of this thing is at 98,500. Okay, it's sitting at 98,951. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. So you have an indication. As long as it holds above 98,500, you can expect Bitcoin to deliver on this thing. And let me tell you how much will be the deliverance. 98,500. I can make it 350, by the way. Yeah, it's 98,350. Let's not make it 500. 98,350. And let's see how much is the size. So 94,350, 98, 94, that's 4,000. Okay, so from 98 to 4, that will be 102. Yeah, that makes sense according to our story as well. Okay, so the deliverance on this cup and handle would be a shoot up towards 102 if it wants to deliver on this cup and handle. And that's the maximum deliverance, the 4,000 deliverance. But at the same time, as I always say, the double bottom of today is the double top of tomorrow. In this case, this bullish structure that you see, if it turns around, then one top, this will become a second top. It will become a double top, and then of course everyone should start freaking out, because then again we will be questioning the neckline, and the neckline is at 92,500. One top, second top, and then it starts scrapping itself and finally break the $90,000, because again the deliverance will be 4,000. So from 92,500, 4,000, that would be 88,000. Okay, it kind of coincides with a comment I read about 88K somewhere, either in my Telegram community or somewhere in the comments. It kind of coincides with their story. Personally, I'm waiting for 85K. That range, we have not visited that range for quite a while. It will be pretty much fun to see what the hell happens there. But for all this, it needs to turn around. First needs to go towards 92,500, then break that neckline, and then start going down. It's too much of work that is required to be done, which is not done yet. Anyway, but right now it is a bullish structure. I was just saying that if it reverses, a bullish structure turns into a bearish structure. But for this, I already told you, as long as it holds 98,350, it's sitting at 98,900, so there's a gap as well. As long as it stays above 98,350, it can deliver on this cup and handle, and it can start shooting up towards 102. But if it breaks 98,350 and loses this, then you would understand that, okay, it is going to go down. I can give you an indicator. Don't use this as anything useful, but this would be your maximum. That is 97,200. That is your indicator. If it goes below 97,200, that should be your indicator that it's not going to go up anymore. It is going towards 92,500. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.